G'day everyone, Shane here. Well, the other night me and the missus was sitting in the lounge room and she said how she stumbled across this recipe for corned beef cooked in the slow cooker. It's made with ginger beer instead of water. Well, it seemed strange, but I'm willing to try it, so let's give it a go. What we're going to need to make this corned beef silver side is a silver side, some ginger beer, an onion, some cloves and 2 bay leaves. Right, now the first thing I'm going to do is get the corned beef out of the plastic. I'm going to give it a bit of a rinse off just to get all that yucky slimy stuff off it. I'm going to chuck that in the slow cooker. Give your hands a wash. I'm just going to peel an onion. And chop it in half. And chuck that into the slow cooker. And now we're just going to pour in ginger beer until it's covered the whole lot of the silver side. You want it completely covering it. There we go. Now we're going to chuck in 6 whole cloves and 2 bay leaves and cover it. Okay, I'm just going to turn this on high for 6 hours, or you can do it low for 8 hours. While that's cooking in the slow cooker, I just wanted to talk to you guys about this idea that I've had. I want you guys to send me across your ideas and what you would like to see me cook. So if you guys want to go across to my Facebook or my Twitter account, you can leave your ideas there, or you can leave them down below in the comments. Okay, I've decided to make a mustard sauce to go along with the corned beef. So what I'm going to need for the mustard sauce is 50 grams of butter, 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of your favourite mustard. I'm using Australian mustard. You can use English mustard, Dijon mustard or American mustard, it's up to you. 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of grated parmesan. Okay, in a saucepan over a medium heat, we're just going to add the 50 grams of butter. Just going to melt this down. Okay, after the butter's melted, we're just going to add the 3 tablespoons of plain flour. And by 3 tablespoons, I mean 2 tablespoons. We're just going to cook this for about a minute, just to get that raw flour taste out. Stirring constantly. Make a nice roux. Okay, after a minute or so, when it's nice and bubbly, I'm just going to remove it from the heat. We're just going to add in our milk, stirring so it all comes together. There's no lumps. When it's nice and combined, I'm going to put it back on the heat. Now we want to stir this constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets thick, so it thickens up nicely. Alright, this is thickened up nicely now. Just going to add in the mustard. Mix that in. So I'm going to add in the cheese. Just mix it all in until it all combines. Okay, I've just mixed this in for about a minute, minute and a half. Oh, that looks really good. Smells good too. Alright. Now let's check it out. It's been 6 hours. Oh wow, that actually smells really nice. Oh, it's nice and tender too. Alright, just put it on this chopping board here. I'll get ready to carve it up. Alright, just going to carve up a couple of slices of this. It's nice and tender. I'm just going to put this onto a plate. I'm going to serve this up with some mashed potato. Just going to put some of this mustard sauce over the meat. Oh, yum. Crack on some black pepper. There we go. And I'm just going to get ready and we're going to do a taste test. I just want to get a bit of this meat without the sauce on it, just to see what it tastes like with the ginger beer. It's not bad. If you don't like ginger, you probably won't like this. But yeah, it tastes really nice. Okay, now I'm just going to try a bit with the sauce. Oh yum, that sauce is really good. I think you guys are going to like this. This is really nice. Well guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're new here, welcome. I'll see you next time.